Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to solve question 53 of the NEET 2023 chemistry paper, which is based on the different types of halides. How do you identify alkyl halides, whether it is allylic, vinylic, aryl or benzylic halide? So this is the example, that is the structure of the compound that is given, and we have to identify whether it is vinylic, benzylic, aryl or allylic halide. Okay, so let us first understand in general the carbon-carbon double bond. The carbon that forms the double bond is called as a vinylic halide. This is called as a vinylic carbon. Okay, and if the halogen, like for example chlorine, this is attached to the vinylic carbon, then this is called as vinyl chloride. Okay, vinyl halide, here it is chlorine, so I am writing chloride. Okay, so here you can see these are the vinylic carbons. So is the halogen, that is X is what? Halogen. Is the halogen attached to the carbon forming the double bond? No. So first option is incorrect. What is allylic? The carbon just next to the double bond, this is called as allylic carbon. Okay, and the carbon next to that is called as homoallylic. So if the halogen is attached to the allylic carbon, what is allylic carbon? Allylic carbon is the carbon next to the carbon forming double bond, that is this carbon. So this is the allylic carbon. So halogen is attached to what? It is attached to the allylic carbon. So the correct answer is option D. Now what is benzylic halide and aryl halide? Benzylic halide is when the halogen is directly attached to the benzene ring, like this. X can be anything: fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay, fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene or iodobenzene. This is what? Aryl halide. Okay, aryl is what? It is any aromatic group. Substituent aromatic group as a substituent is called as aryl group. Now next is what? This we had seen, aryl halide. So this is not aryl halide. If the halogen was present on any one of these positions, then we would have called it as aryl halide. And what is benzylic halide? Okay, the carbon next to the benzene ring, this is called as benzylic carbon. Okay, that is why if you remember, the carbocation formed at the carbon next to the benzene ring, this carbocation we call it as a benzylic carbocation, right, which is stable because of resonance, right? It is stable because of the resonance from the pi electrons of the benzene ring. So if halogen is present at the benzylic carbon, this is called as benzyl halide. Benzyl halide. Or it is also called as benzyl halide or benzylic halide. So this is also incorrect. Okay, benzylic carbon, here it is this carbon. Okay, so what is the correct answer for this question? It is option 4, that is allylic halide. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.